We're prepping for our next trip. We're heading to the Smoky Mountains at the end of the week, going back down to Tennessee and trying to hit Asheville again, North Carolina. So we are, well, there's Drake. Say hi, Drake. Drake! Hi, Drake! He's a good boy. And the last project that we really want to accomplish is to get our water tank fitted. So here's Holly now screwing the pump into the little plywood there.
Tight fit.
It's a tight fit. So working on a quick connect for our water tank. This is where we're going to we decided to put it. We didn't really actually decide, it just fits. And you want to show us that quick connect?
Yes.
Take it out of there. And then to get the hose or to get the tank out easy to fill it, we just got a pressure washer quick connect. Go ahead. So you can just pop that on and pop it off and take the tank out. So to fit this tank, it obviously didn't have this piece here. It had this and then like a white plastic cap. But I designed and 3D printed this and epoxied in some brass fittings so that we can just pop it in the tank, and then the cap just goes down, tightens up, and it'll be watertight that way.
And here's the job foreman, supervising from the shade, making sure we get all his van projects done so he can go on his adventure this weekend. And Holly's got 6 chickens. They make their rounds, checking for bugs and snacks, with Drake supervising them also.
That's what you're doing.
Okay, so I'm stripping the plastic coating off of this.
Insulation.
Insulation with this thing.
Yeah.
Just like that. So easy. Then you want to twist your wires just a little bit. Make sure they're all there. So they get twisted real good. And then you take one of these things.
What is that?
I don't know. What's it called?
It's a wire terminal.
Wire terminal, and you want to make sure you get all of your wires up in there. Then hold it in really tight. You don't want any of those wires to slip out. Then you take this thing and you put it in the red spot on the metal thing. And then you want to clamp down as hard as you can and keep the wire in. Like that. Kind of.
Did you get it?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Here we go again. Oh, I think it's in there. Yeah, I think I got it. Look at that.
Crimped connection. Nice job.
So I am a professional.
Okay, so we got everything installed. The pump is put in over here. There's a switch. Got all the fittings on the tank. All the hoses run. The electronics done. So Holly's just going to do a quick demonstration on our new water system. Here we go.
All right. Tub ready.
Lift it up. Drop it down.
Quick connect. Kind of quick.
Got the quick connect just to blast it on. Okay. So we'll come back out. Flip the switch, pull the hose, and they'll have to prime for a second. But then there we go.
Off to the races.
So here's our switch currently. It's in the up position, just the pump on, off, and then we can switch it down, and I'll eventually put in a foot pedal so that when we have it switched down, we can take the sprayer and then I'll make some kind of a bracket just to put it up here, and then you'll have a foot pedal to use as a shower. So hope you like our water system.